Hello guys.
Hello y'all.
Hey y'all.
Welcome to our channel.
Welcome to our channel. Welcome to our channel. Hi guys. Today we are finally going to play with these two.
Hey y'all. So today we are gonna be playing Animal Hospital, as you can see by the title of the video. And now it is me and Deborah and Dana. And yeah. And so they're kind of not right here. They're in like different rooms. And yeah. Work the hospital until you find out what's really gonna happen. So today we are playing Animal Hospital. It might be scary, but it's funny. Like, I'm just out with words. But yeah. We're all recording in different devices, of course.
This is Radioactive Blue, the stinky little blue thing. And this is Karomi with her Hello Kitty. And then this is me. So right now we're just waiting for visitors. We can't really see the cameras or the shutters. So I have an appointment. Yes, we get it.
If only the camera was on, I would see if that anomaly, that patient would be like an anomaly or not. Oh wait, never mind. Of course, that one is not even an anomaly. That's the first one. How would it be an anomaly when it's a real one? Everybody says that's a real one, and like the first one, you give them herbs, and the second one you give them. I forgot, but yeah. I'm gonna do this one. Okay. Take DNA. I'm gonna leave the door open, just in case, Oh, the second one is eye drops. Cause look at his eyes. They're like tired. I feel bad. Oh, my bad.
Be in room 2, which Karomi's gonna do it. My sister, she needs the herbs, so.
Herbs. See, what are you doing? What are you doing? Every anomaly, bro. Don't mind the back. They're like, I don't know what they're doing. What the heck? How did y'all hear that? Also, say if y'all comment down below if y'all watched the fireworks. I've played this game multiple times with them, and we've gotten to shift 9. I already got the eye drops. Oh, the doctor's arriving. We have to go. Go. Oy. Bro, I can't. Yeah, we're gonna get the shutters and we're gonna get the camera. You must be the new hire. Oh yeah, and I'm also gonna get these swimsuits that are called tankinis. If you know, you know. They're like super cute, but I might not get them because they have to arrive before Friday, like next Friday. Anyways, oh, our report is excellent. Also, bro, I'm so excited because we're gonna go. I don't need no coffee because my sanity is at 62, so it's all right. What is you doing? Look, he just like disappears in that door, like if nothing happened. But yeah. Yeah, that's not even fair. Like, I literally was treating that patient and she still gets the best. Like, what? That doesn't even make sense.
I'm Yumi Choi. Nice. I'm gonna check in as a patient. Let's see if it's okay. It's not an anomaly. It's alright. Yeah, they are good. I got room 5. Okay. I'm gonna take you to room 5. Girl. This girl, like, she always had to take in everything. Close her brand. Oh, no.